clase, it is Señora Group. Hoy es lunes el 27 de septiembre, and as I told you on Friday, I am not there with you today. By now, you have had the opportunity to introduce yourself to your guest teacher for today, and hopefully you were sure to tell her or him your name in Espanol, in la clase de Espanol. So now that you've done that, it is time to work on your assignment. We are going to be learning about some comida today. Comida is food, and you are specifically going to be learning about some food from a variety of different Spanish-speaking countries. You are going to choose 8 different foods that you would like to learn about, and to get those choices, you are going to click on this link. When you click on this link, it's going to take you out to a Google map. And over here, you can click these links, but I think it's a little bit easier to click on these markers over here, because one of the things you're going to have to do is tell me the country that the food you are researching comes from. So once you've got the map pulled up, then I would actually click back on the assignment, and then I would scroll down because it's an embedded Google slide that you're going to fill out. So you will click on this link. And this is where you're going to fill in the information. Like I said, you're going to choose 8 different foods. And what you will do is you will click here and type in the name of the food. And then you'll click on the next one and type in the name of the country. And then read about that food and then decide, would you know I'm not eating this food? I'm kind of in the middle, might try it, might not. Or I am definitely going to try that if I ever get the opportunity. In order to mark your choice, you're going to come up here to the shape tool, click on it, and then come down. I would use the X from the equations. And then you just draw, like, let's say this food, whatever it is that I researched about. I'm like, no, I'm not really sure, maybe. Okay, so you would mark that so I know that's the one you want. And then you're also going to use the line tool. And you're going to use that, and whatever the food is, you are going to take this and mark a line to where that food originates from. And you can change the color of the line if you want to. I think you can also change the size of the line, or if you want to make it an arrow, that's fine too. But you're going to mark those things on there as well. Okay, so type in the name of the food, type in the country it's from, mark your choice of nope, not eating that, yes, maybe, I'm not sure, or oh, yes. And then from the box to wherever that food is from, which country, draw an arrow using the line tool. And you can use just a line or an arrow, line with an arrow, whichever works for you. All right, so back to the map. So if I decided I wanted to research whatever this food is from Cuba, I would click on it, and it's going to give me the name of it, rabo encendido. And then it says rabo encendido oxtail stew is said to originate in the Iberian Peninsula, but has been a common dish in Cuba since the Spanish arrived. So that gives you a picture of what it looks like. It looks like there's a video here about it. Okay.
Hola a todos y bienvenidos al canal. Hoy vamos a preparar otra receta cubana muy popular, rabo encendido. Como muchos otros platos típicos de la isla, este deriva de la gastronomía española, pero ha sido adaptado a nuestro gusto y a los ingredientes que están a nuestro alcance. Comenzaremos por lavar y secar bien 4 libras de rabo de toro.
Okay, so it's going to give you some information. It's going to show you some pictures. Okay. Then to get back, you just go back, and then also it's going to have a link that you can go to. This usually takes you to a recipe or maybe a restaurant that serves it. If the information is in Spanish, just do your best to read it. You should still be able to understand parts of it if it is in Spanish. And if it's in Spanish and you're reading it and you're like, I'm not getting it, then just look at the pictures. This is going to give you a list of ingredients. Like one thing this one is oxtail. I don't know if I can get behind that one. Might be really delicious. So after you have looked at that information, then you will, like I said, go back and fill out this information, and then go back to the map and choose something new. So I think I'm going to go with whatever this is in Uruguay. Click on this, alfajores, and then it gives you an explanation of what those are. That looks like something I could get behind because I see the words sugar coating, coconut, and chocolate. Those sound delicious to me. So choose 8 different markers on the map, find out information on that comida, fill out this sheet, and then when you are all done with all 8 of your choices, close that out. You will click back on the assignment. Over here for you, there's going to be a submit assignment link, submit it, and then underneath this link, it'll say submitted on and give you that information, and then you are officially done with your assignment for La Clase de Español for the day. This is due tonight by 11:59 p.m. If you have any questions, make sure you send me a message. I will be in meetings all day, but I will try to check in. Once you finish the assignment, if there's still time remaining in class, I would go ahead and study for your most common words test. Remember, that is on Thursday, the 30th. You can do that by going to our Quizlet module in Canvas, or you should have those in your regular notebook, and you can study them there. If you get that finished, make sure your Para Empezar is worked on, and you can go ahead and submit that for the week. And then if you have everything else done and there's still time remaining, you can work in Duolingo, class content, study other vocabulary in our Quizlet module, read quietly, or work on any other work you may have. One more time, this assignment is due tonight at 11:59 p.m. Send me a message if you have any questions. Adios, mis estudiantes, and buena suerte.